great day on the Sunshine Coast today, and what a wonderful way to introduce you to my competition I have for this month in July 2020. So I've got two of these beautiful wooden cases. Take a look here. It opens up into a 3-tier oil container. So you can put the singles in the top, the blends in the middle, and your roll-ons in the bottom, or lip balms in the bottom. And so all of them, they fit 15 mils and 5 mils. So the way to enter the competition this month is you do a 100 PV order. So I've got one case for new people. Anyone who's new into my team this month, if you do a 100 PV order, you go in the draw to win this case. And anyone who's existing in my team already, you go and do a 100 PV order this month in July 2020, and you go in the draw to win. So 2 cases. So anyone wanting to get started, this is a great chance to win a case to store your beautiful oils. And what a month, 320 PV, and you are on monthly orders on Essential Rewards, and you will also get an amazing array of products to help with our winter health. Have a wonderful one, and I'm looking forward to seeing who wins this prize next month. Bye.